Brain fog, the silent pandemic, dopamine detox 2.0. Hook to zero, a clock to 050 visual, a person staring at a screen with blurry vision, trying to focus but failing, fast cuts of notifications and short-form videos. Do you feel like your brain is constantly lagging? You open an app to do one thing, and 10 minutes later, you've forgotten why you're even there. In 2026, we are facing a silent pandemic, not a virus, but a total collapse of human focus. It's called digital brain fog. Our attention spans have dropped to less than 5 seconds, and it's making us less intelligent and more anxious. But what if I told you there's a dopamine detox 2.0 that can reset your brain in just 48 hours? Let's fix your focus. The science of the fog, 052-230. Visual, animation of the brain's prefrontal cortex being overwhelmed by dopamine spikes represented by bright sparks. The problem isn't that you're lazy, it's that your brain is overclocked. Every notification, every 15-second scroll, and every AI-generated feed is designed to hijack your dopamine system by 2026. The algorithms have become so good that your brain is permanently in survival mode, reacting to stimuli instead of thinking deeply. This constant overstimulation creates a literal cloud of inflammation in your brain, making deep work almost impossible. Dopamine Detox 2.0, the 2026 protocol. 2:30 to 5 o'clock. Visual, a step-by-step checklist appearing on screen. The old detox was just about no phones, but 2.0 is about strategic sensory deprivation. First, the monk hour. For the first 90 minutes of your day, zero digital input. No music, no podcasts, no screens. Second, grayscaling. Turn your phone's display to black and white. If it's not colorful, your brain stops craving it. Third, binaural focus hacking. Using specific sound frequencies to force your brain into alpha waves. We aren't just quitting tech, we are outsmarting it. The secret weapon. Focus, biohacking, 5 o'clock to 7 o'clock. Visual. Close-up of focus supplements or a person doing a specific breathing exercise. Beyond just quitting apps, the elite 1% in 2026 are using Nootropics and Cold Exposure to clear the fog. A 30-second cold shower increases dopamine by 250%, but unlike a phone scroll, this dopamine lasts for hours and improves clarity. We are seeing a shift where focus is the new IQ. If you can focus for 4 hours a day, you are already ahead of 99% of the population. Conclusion, outro, 7 o'clock to 8:30, visual. The person from the beginning, now looking calm, focused, and reading a physical book. The fog is real, but it's not permanent. You were born to think, to create, and to lead, not to be a data point for an algorithm. Start with the 48-hour reset this weekend. Turn off the noise and listen to your own thoughts again. If you're ready to reclaim your brain, comment focused below and let's start the challenge together. Don't forget to subscribe for more ways to optimize your human potential in 2026.